supposed to be a video, but I'm lazy. But today we're coming back home from. Today we're at the right now. We can have a pancake.
No?
Yeah.
Sunday cup?
Yeah.
Sunday cup. Saan?
Kali, bye. Bye, Ted. I'm gonna boop, 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 with a boop, boop, boop. Sab. Sab. Kian. Hello.
Sabi.
Hey, Dad.
Ha?
B. B, tawag ka ni Daddy. Tawag ka. I wanna go home. Teacher Jonah. It's Kylie. I brought food to school. What do he? I want to go in the flipping my advisor. Journey, wait for me. We are in the car.
Sabi, put your hands inside.
Yippee. Oh, that I wanted to tell you that this Friday. So, Oily knows. Anyways, today is Friday, so this is the last day of school, and maybe the last day of.
Lang sa kabila.
I actually paused the video.
Awin na. Tayo doon. Gatan siguro. Gatan. Okay.
Teacher Diane, my math teacher before. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Sexy ka, madam. Kasya ka.
Teacher Myrna. Bye, Mia. Bye, bye, canteen. See you next week. Yaj, bye.
Thank you.
Bye, Larry. Larry.